Girl, CapCut is gone. Like gone. Like gone, girl. And if you're anything like me, you probably open up your app because you wanted to get ahead for next week, you know, batching that content like how we're supposed to, because consistency is key in order for us to be successful, right? But when you open it up, you got this message. Girl, I almost had a heart attack, so I had to figure out how to gain access to not just CapCut, but hell, my old content, because baby, we repurpose things over here. But don't worry, sis. If you clicked on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can still gain access to CapCut. I'm also going to be showing you different tools that you are probably familiar with that you didn't even realize that you could be editing and still creating some amazing content.
For other girls on a mission like me, mission like me, mission like me. Get that money, mission like me, mission like me. For other girls on a mission like me, mission like me, mission like me. Get that money.
Everyone, my name is Cierrajohnna. I'm a wife and mom of two, and I help moms make money online with digital products. But in today's video, we are talking all things editing. Now, granted, CapCut, we knew you and TikTok was together, but we didn't know y'all was together. So why you do us like that? So if you stay tuned to the end of this video, I'm actually going to be showing you the little hack on how you can still gain access to CapCut. I don't want to keep you guys long, but I just wanted to show y'all that a lot of y'all are sleeping on Canva. And if you haven't already, I actually created a batching video here of showing you how I use Canva to batch create my content. I can have 30, 60 days, or however many days I need to create some amazing content and to have it ready to go. So in today's video, I just wanted to show you and give you guys a quick little refresher to use this. So just in case that CapCut is really gone, you have something else to fall back up for. All right, girls, so we're going to open up Canva and we are going to open up a mobile video template. Y'all, again, I've showed y'all this in a different video, so I am going to be moving pretty quickly. For the purpose of this video, girl, I'm going to be using some clips that I already had in here because, baby, I ain't have time for all that. So I clicked on videos, and I just wanted to show y'all that you can add text here and utilize Canva for certain things. Granted, can you add music and do stuff like that? No, but you can do that in the app, girl. Like, don't stress out about this. And 9 times out of 10, TikTok is probably going to be back because the little orange man is going to bring it back and make it seem like he's here today. But that's a story for another story. So here, what I'm just showing you is I'm just adding in clips here. And again, y'all, you can both create your content. Like, that's something that you can do. So I'm just shortening up the video how I want them to look. Nothing fancy, right? I also am going to go into the text box and add text. Granted, you can do all of this because I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be using iMovie in this video. But if you want to add your text on the screen here, again, this is a perfect way to batch videos out for the day, for the week, for the month, whatever you prefer. So here I'm just going through and adding in my text and making it to my liking. Another thing that I like about Canva, guys, if you want to add like any kind of stickers or anything like that to kind of, you know, beef up your content or whatever you want to call it. If you want to add like these little stars, little things like that, you can do that in here because you are limited in iMovie, but a lot of people have access to iMovie. Another really cool feature, I like playing with transparency. So if you are like into like aesthetics, as you can see here, you can add like a color background. And then if you go and turn down the transparency, that will actually make the video give it like a pink vibe. If you have yellow in the background, you'll give it a yellow vibe. Just different things that you can do inside of Canva, y'all. But another reason why I enjoy Canva a lot is I like a good branding situation, a good color, and you can create your brand colors on here. So when you're changing your text, which is what I'm showing y'all right here, you know, all of your content can look unison. So if you want that vibe on your Instagram page, maybe TikTok if it come back, I don't know, use YouTube shorts or whatever, you can do that here. So again, you can get in here, play with Canva, y'all. Canva can be utilized to the fullest. Again, we just can't add music, but you can add the music in the app. So girl, calm down. But then last thing I'm gonna do here is I end up taking this video out because again, I just wanted to show y'all a quick tutorial. I didn't want to make this video too long because I know everybody's stressed out about TikTok, but it's coming back. It's probably coming back 9 times out of 10, okay? So same thing here. I'm just adding in the text for my video, and y'all, I'm probably gonna end up actually posting these videos. So if y'all see them, y'all need to still like them and comment on the video, okay? Thank you. But here I'm just adding my text. Again, I can go up to the color, change the font. I'm going to make it white. Also, I like to outline my text. So here I was just clicking on like the thickness to really like make the text pop depending on what your video looks like. You can turn that up, turn it down. Another thing that I like to do here, again, you can like actually shorten the video. So if it's like you want to change it, or what I'm showing y'all right here in particular, say if you want text on the beginning of your screen and then like towards the end of the video, you want a different text. Well, if you split, which up here, click that little split button, then we'll take the text off and then you can add separate text. And then when we go and edit the video, I'm gonna show y'all really quickly, you know, how to make it dance or whatever like that. Okay, so now that I split my clip, I can add in my second text box. Again, I'm gonna make this say what I want to say for the purpose of this video. And y'all, I'm actually gonna be putting these reels up. So when I put them up, mind your business. But I'm gonna go in and change it, make it my colors. Again, y'all, I like a little pink. That's just my personal branding. To each his own, do whatever makes you happy, sis. Again, I'm going to outline my text to make sure my text pops. And then here, I'm going to go into elements and I wanted to grab an arrow to direct my viewer to my caption. So that's what I'm doing here. I love that you can change the font and change the color of your different stickers. You don't have just a set one. That's why Canva is the truth, right, girl? So again, I'm going in and just kind of making my text look like how I normally have it look in CapCut. So I'm making some of the text pink and pretty much these are my videos. The really cool thing that I think people be sleeping on about Canva is once you finish up your videos and everything like that, you can download them directly into Instagram, but I don't do that. So I'm gonna download them for the purpose of this video. And now we're gonna go into iMovie. Sis, make sure you download this in the MP4 format because sometimes it does change over even though it's a video. And then if you want to, when batch creating, guys, you can download separate pages, but to each his own. I'm just downloading them all as one page or as one download for now. But if you want to separate the different videos, you definitely can. Girl, so we are going to go into iMovie. Yes, y'all, iMovie. Everybody and their mama got an iPhone. And if you have an iPhone, baby, you have access to iMovie absolutely free. You should get used to using this platform just in case CapCut, TikTok is really gone for real. So again, I'm using iMovie. So I'm just going to drag my clip in here. And here I was just showing y'all again, if you want to download multiple clips at one time, you can, cut them up like this and just export what you need, to each his own. Or again, you can just download the separate pages like I was showing y'all in Canva a little bit earlier. But here, I'm just going to get rid of this first clip and I'm just going through editing, make sure everything I like how it looks. I know y'all can't hear the sound, but I turned the sound down anyway, so it didn't matter. But I'm just going through and just getting rid of what I don't want. Making sure it looks good. Again, I'm always trying to do anywhere from 3 to 7 seconds. The next thing that I want to do, y'all know as always, I'm not a gatekeeper. But again, you can export the video, go straight into Instagram, add your music. But I like to get my music out of SoundCloud. And how you do that, y'all, is you want to find a rework song. A rework song is like a remix, just something that takes out that original background sound is what is going to get you copywritten. So here I'm just showing y'all how I find my music. Again, I'm actually going to make a video for y'all. But for the purpose of this video, I wanted to use a Jhené Aiko song because of the vibes of the song kind of resonated with the video that I was making for y'all, if that makes sense. So I was just going through listening here. I know y'all can't hear, but how I do this, I'm just going to copy the URL. Like once I click on the song, I'm going to copy the URL here up at the top. And then if y'all haven't downloaded, like if you've never used a downloader, you can just go to Google and type in SoundCloud downloader, paste that in there, and boom, you can download your track, girl. Now, if you get a virus on your computer, don't come from me. I don't know. I ain't never had one. So then I'm going to drag my song from my downloads into iMovie. And y'all, this is how I make another video. Again, it's a little bit more, but it's not that deep, y'all. Don't complicate the process. This is literally all you have to do. And not to mention CapCut Desktop, y'all. CapCut Desktop is currently still working for me. I don't know how long this is going to work. It doesn't have like the TikTok information that usually shows at the end, but I'm going to keep using it, okay? Because I have kind of fell in love with CapCut. You get used to it. And speaking of CapCut, as promised, I wanted to show you quickly just the hack that you guys can use to still gain access to CapCut. Did you have a heart attack too when you got this message? Well, don't worry, because I can show you a little secret hack where you can still access CapCut. So first, you're going to open up the App Store and you are going to type in VPN because we are going to be downloading a VPN. And for the purpose of this video, this is the one that I prefer to use. Why? I don't know, y'all. It's always worked for me. I just use it, okay? So just use this one. Once you download it, it's going to take you, this is going to be the first thing that you see. You just have to hit agree and continue, hit allow. You want to hit tap to connect. And for the purpose of this video, child, TikTok and CapCut is still available on Canada. So we are going to connect to Canada's server. You're going to hit allow. Once you see that you are connected successfully, you should be able to open up the CapCut app. All right, y'all. CapCut might be going for some, maybe for all, who knows? But we have options. Either way, don't forget to use your creativity and really learn to outsource and learn different ways of how to create content online. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please like it, share it, and leave me a comment down below on what you enjoyed most. And I will see y'all on the next video.
for the girls who love themselves. For all the girls that's IMDEPENT.